Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understanding what a cover photo is. A cover photo on Pinterest is the image that appears at the top of your profile or board, making it the first thing people see when they visit. It's essentially your visual introduction, so choosing the right image matters for your brand. Step 2. Accessing your profile settings. Navigate to your Pinterest profile by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then click on the Settings gear icon and select Profile Settings. This is where you'll find the option to upload or change your cover photo. Step 3. Selecting or uploading your image. You can either choose from existing pins you've already created or upload a brand new image from your device. The recommended dimensions are 1200 by 600 pixels for the best quality display. Step 4. Optimizing for visual appeal. Make sure your cover photo is high quality, visually relevant to your content, and branded if possible. Avoid cluttered designs and choose colors that complement your overall Pinterest aesthetic and personal brand. Step 5. Saving and publishing your changes. Once you've selected your image, click the Save or Confirm button to apply it as your cover photo. Your new cover photo will now display on your profile, and you can always change it whenever you want to refresh your look.